Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable AirDrop on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. In here, tap on Settings, and from the Settings page we go down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. On this page here, we go down and tap on Allow Apps, and then we go down and tap on AirDrop. Tap on the toggle button to disable AirDrop or to enable it. If you switch it off, then now AirDrop has been restricted and you can no longer access AirDrop from your home screen or in your app library. So it is totally removed and disabled. So AirDrop is not in here. So to turn it back on, you can tap on that toggle button. It will be switched back on, and from here you can use AirDrop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.